Hello friends, welcome to BS Agriculture. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about entomologist crop-wise pest collection. In this topic, I am going to cover the topic, the pest of Jatropha. So first, it was a minor plant. So the most of the important pest was not occurred. So I have directly entered into the pest list, major pest which was present in Jatropha. So the first one is inflorescence or capsule borer, where the scientific name is Pampellia morsalis and the family is Crambidae and the order Lepidoptera. So while seeing about the symptom, the caterpillar is used to web the leaves and feed on them, and also they bores into the pedicle as well as the capsule of the Jatropha and make galleries, which is made up of silk or frass inside the bored fruits, and the larva, which is to be greenish board or brownish green caterpillar, and the pupation is taken in the pot of the fruits, and the adult, which is to be a green moth. So and the next one is Clutterid bug, and the family is Clutteridae and the order is Hemiptera. So the first one, they used to have different species among them. So based on the scientific name, we can able to classify them one by one. So the first one is Clotulera nobilaris. So their symptom is suck the sap from the fruit. So the both nymph and adult is used to cause the damage to the crop host plant, and the adult, which is to be bluish metallic green with the black spots. So you can able to see that in the picture. And Chrysochris purpureus, so which used to suck the sap from the leaves, tender stem and fruits, where the nymph and adult is also the same, but the adult is said to be metallic with the 6 green spots in the row, and also there is a 7th spot on Crutellum, which used to cover the abdomen completely. So you can able to see the pictures from for the both of them in the above ones. And the next one is Thrips. So where the family, which is said to be a Thripidae, and the order is Thysanoptera, and the scientific name of Thrips is Retithrips cyracris, where the nymph and adult, which used to cause damage to the host plant. So they used to form a silvery white patches on the leaves, and the pinkish nymph, where the black adult with fringed wings are the characteristics of these Retithrips in the Jatropha's host plant. And the next one is Scrytothrips dorsalis, where they used to have a tender leaf showing yellowish green patches on the upper surface, and there is a more brown necrotic area as well as the silvery sheen on the lower surface is the characteristics identification of Scrytothrips biformis. And the both yellow and black adult nymphs, which used to cause disease to the plant. And there is another species where the Allilothrips quintocornis is the species name. And there is a tailed mealybug, where the scientific name is Perista variegata, where the family is Pseudococcidae and the order Hemiptera. So the major symptom is yellowing and the shedding of leaves and berries from the Jatropha plant. And in several infestations, there is a withering of the plant as well as dying of plant is also occur. But these mealybug, which used to causes a honeydew secretion in the Jatropha, where it leads to the formation of secondary infections like sooty mold, and also grasp the attention of ants in the Jatropha plant. So these are the pictures of the tailed mealybugs. And the next one is papaya mealybug, where the scientific name is Paracoccus marginatus, and the family is Pseudococcidae and the order is Hemiptera. So the adult, which is a female, is Apterus and as well as yellow. Most of the nymphs and adults females are greenish yellow in color with whitish body fluids present in them. So these are the specimens of Paracoccus marginatus, which turns bluish black when they are said to be placed in alcohol, is the characteristic identification of papaya mealybug Paracoccus species. And there is also a Jatropha soft scale, where the scientific name is Hemiliconius imbricans, where the family is Coccidae and the order Hemiptera. So these insects which used to suck the sap from plants, flat or oval soft scales. And there is another one which is a wide scale, where the scientific name is Pulvinary maxima, which used to show the symptom of yellowing of leaves. So the scales on twigs, shoots as well as leaves, which used to be found, which leads to the secondary infection like sooty mold on the Jatropha plant. And the adult, which is said to be convex white in color. And there is another important pest in Jatropha is red spider mite, and the scientific name is Pteronicus utricae, where the family is Tetrachinidae, and there is the identification where we can able to see the chlorotic spots coalesces in pale or silvery patches, and there is a drying of leaves webbing found in colonies, and they use it to show a adult with carmine of 4 pairs of legs, V-shaped posterior end in male and blunt in female is the characteristics identification of both male and female in the red spider mite species. And the next one is Eriophyte mite, where the scientific name is Eriophis cherineri and the family is Eriophidae and the scientific name is Acari. So they use it to show the symptom of small and microscopic vermiform with 2 pairs of antenna located legs is the scientific name, and there it is the symptom pictures I have given. So the Jatropha leaf which used to show a brownish appearance in the leaves, and there is another scientific insect which is a Polyphagotrus latus, and the family is Tarsonamidae and the scientific name is Acari. So which used to infest the tender portion of the plant pods with terminal shoot or flower or vegetative bud. So these mites are said to be pale yellow in color, where the male is shorter than female with a tapering abdomen. So it is the characteristic identification of lattice insects. And the next one is Calotropis leafhopper bug, or else the green striped leafhopper bug, where the scientific name is Eurybrachys tomentosa and the scientific name is Eurybrachiae, and there is order is Hemiptera. So the symptom they used to cause, which used to suck the green sap from the green shoots of the plant. So the identification is adult female, where the moth is used to be variable in color from grayish yellowish to greenish or reddish with forewings olivaceous green, and the male which is said to be smaller than tawny brown tegmina from the female one. And so while seeing about the nymphs which used to have a dark brown beneath a pair of circular pads on either side of the 7th abdominal segments, so which used to have a movable brushes of long brown and white hairs present in them, and there is a membranous wax plates near the brush pads. So the fully grown nymph of 6.5 mm long with 10 mm long anal brushes are said to be found. And the next one important pest in Jatropha is spiraling whitefly, where the scientific name is Alurodicus dispersus. So they use it to leave suck the sap from the leaves, which leads to shooty mold in lower leaves, and dropping of the affected leaves is an effective symptom. So which use it to the dying of the whole plant in several infestation. So they use it to get the name of spiraling Wi-Fi by based on how they lay eggs in concentric circle covered with their coat scale coats present in them, and the nymphs with the numerous evenly spaced short glass like rod or wax along the sides of the bottom, and the adult which is said to be powdery white and which is active during early morning hours. And the next one is leaf feeders. So leaf feeders which is said to be a blister minor species, and the scientific name is Stompastes, where the Acroserpus and Tauractia, so they which used to the formation of mining of leaves. And the next important pest in Jatropha, where the Semilooper, where the scientific name is Achea genata and the family is Eripidae and the order is Lepidoptera. So they use it to cause defoliation, so which used to rest on the outer side of the midrib of the petiole, and the larva which is a Semilooper varying with different shades of color, and they use it to have a red spot on the third abdomen is the characteristic symptom we can able to identify Achea genata. And they also turned into a brown moth with a black hindwings having medial white and 3 large white spot on the outer margin in the hindwings is the characteristic identification of Jatropha Semilooper, where the scientific name is Achea genata. So some other important pest present in Jatropha red hairy caterpillar, where the scientific name is Amsacta albistricae as well as Amsacta mori, so which is also an Eripidae family, and the order is Lepidoptera, so which is used to carry defoliation, and the larva which is to be hairy caterpillar with reddish brown and black band on either leaves. So the adult which is a moth with the white wings is the characteristic moth of red hairy caterpillar, and the classification between Amsacta albistrica as well as Amsacta mori. So the albistrica, the forewing is used to be white with a brownish streak all over and yellowish streak along the anterior margin and head, and the hind wings are white with the black margins, and in mori there is another anterior marginal streak on the forewing and head is red. So these are the pictures of albistrica as well as mori, which is a red hair caterpillar in Jatropha species. And there is another important insect is Nephroteric species, where the family is Pictidae and the order is Lepidoptera. So the caterpillar used to webs the leaves for defoliation, and the black hair caterpillar, where the scientific name is Estigmena lactina. So the family is Arctidae and the major symptom is defoliation. So they used to be have a black head and hairs, and adult witches to be large white mouth with a cries and markings on head, body and wings. So these are the pictures of them. So some other pests present in Jatropha are tusk caterpillar, woolly bear as well as ash weevils. So the final one is flower web fever or else chafer beetle, where the scientific name is Oxystonia versicolor and the order and the family is Cetonidae. So it is its picture. So I have given the lecture notes in the description. So comment up the video and join us in the Instagram page. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BSc Agriculture and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you in next videos.